Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about Pendle Air Drop, which is the latest project to launch on Binance Launchpool. How to participate in the Pendle Air Drop. To participate in the Pendle Air Drop, you will need to stake your BNB or T.U.S.D tokens in the Launchpool. The amount of Pendle tokens you earn will depend on the amount of BNB or T.U.S.D tokens you stake. Now we're going to be going over the steps on how to participate in the Pendle Airdrop on Binance. Step 1. Very first thing, please like and subscribe to my channel. No, that's not the first step. I was just kidding. Here we go. Step 1. Deposit some BNB or T.U.S.D tokens into your Binance account. You can do this by going to the wallet page and clicking on the deposit button. Step 2. Go to the Binance Launchpool page. You can find this by going to the Binance website and clicking on the Earn tab and then Launchpool tab. Step 3. Find the Pendle Pool. The Pendle Pool will be listed under the new Launchpools section. Step 4. Now you can see there are two options, first with T.U.S.D token and second with BNB. Let's go with BNB. Click Stake now and enter the amount of tokens you want to stake. You can stake a minimum of 0.1 BNB or 100 T.U.S.D, as I don't have any BNB tokens in my wallet. But you to have enter amount of BNB you want to stake. Click Stake button and your tokens will be staked. The Pendle Launchpool will run Pendle tokens over 25 days, with farming starting from 2023. 7.4. Your Pendle tokens will be distributed to your Binance account after the Pendle Launchpool ends. That's it. Those are the steps on how to participate in the Pendle Airdrop on Binance. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in participating in the Pendle Airdrop and Binance Launchpool, I encourage you to do your own research and decide if it's right for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, now please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.